How to solve app crashing after iOS 26 update on iPhone. So if you want to solve app crashing after iOS 26 update on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to just go ahead and open up your settings on your iPhone. Now once you're on your settings, you need to scroll down and then go with the general section. Once you tap on general, you need to scroll down a bit and find out the option of background app refresh. Once you find it, you need to tap on it. Now simply tap it on and make sure to turn on the feature and make sure that you've selected the both Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also just go back and check out all the applications here. Make sure the toggle is turned on for all the applications on your background app refresh. Now, right after that, you need to work on some storage. So you can go with your iPhone storage. Sometimes if your storage is full, then you might have that kind of problem. And because the new iOS actually took about 10 GB. So if you are running out of storage, your application will start to crash. In that case, I would just say to open up your settings and then go with general. And you need to check your iPhone storage. Remove the unwanted large file or unused apps from here. Simply tap on the app that you want to remove. Like for example, I'll go with the application right here, and then you can go with delete app. If you're not using the application, you can just simply go and delete the application, which is taking a huge amount of space. Or if you don't want to delete the application, then you can just simply go and offload the application. Once you offload, your problem will be fixed. Now, once you clear out all of your storage, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you can do is update certain apps that are crashing. You can go with your app store at first, go with your profile, which will be in the top right. After that, scroll down and see all of the updates right here. Go and update whichever app that you're facing the problem, like for example, Spotify, just go and update it. And any other application that you are facing problems, you can just simply go and update it. After updating, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.